A good language student is driven by a genuine passion for the language. They are motivated to learn because they love the culture, history, or simply the beauty of the language itself. This passion fuels his determination to succeed.
Learning a language is a journey and consistency is essential. Good language learners set aside dedicated time every day or week to practice and study. They understand that small, regular efforts produce better results than intense, sporadic studies.
Being open-minded and receptive to new ideas and forms of communication is crucial. Good language learners are willing to accept the differences in grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation that may exist between their native language and the target language.
Learning a new language can sometimes be frustrating, but a good language student remains patient. They understand that mistakes are part of the process and use them as learning opportunities.
Language is a communication tool, therefore a good language student focuses on practical communication skills. They prioritize speaking and listening, striving to express themselves clearly and understand others.
I think language learning goes beyond the classroom. Good language learners actively seek out resources such as books, online courses, language exchange partners, or language apps to complement their learning.
Languages evolve, as do the ways of learning them. Good language students adapt to new technologies and teaching methods, keeping up to date with the latest tools and techniques.
Good language learners set specific, achievable goals. Whether it's passing an exam, traveling to a foreign country, or simply having a conversation, having clear goals helps you stay focused and motivated.
In my opinion, good language learners are reflective. They seek feedback from teachers or native speakers to identify areas for improvement. They regularly assess their progress and adjust their learning strategies accordingly.
A good language student should establish a daily routine of language practice. Consistency helps in retaining what you've learned and steadily progressing in your language skills. It's like a small drop of water each day that fills a bucket over time.
Immersion is vital. Try to surround yourself with the language as much as possible, be it through watching movies, listening to music, or even changing your phone's language settings. This helps you adapt to the language's details.
Learning a language is not an overnight process. It's important to remain patient and not get discouraged by mistakes. Perseverance is what separates successful language learners from others.
Good language students are not afraid of feedback. They actively seek correction and advice from teachers, peers, or online communities. Constructive criticism is a valuable learning tool.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.